Hi everyone, it's Pawel from ai-coustics, and in this video I would like to give you a short introduction to our custom LiveKit ai-coustics plugin. So, if you are building something on LiveKit and you would like to use our newest models, but you don't want to wait for the official LiveKit plugin update, you can just simply head to our documentation and check this Quickstart. You can use all of the newest models, like, for example, Quail Voice Focus 2.2, VAD 2.1, or even VAD Voice Focus, or Tyto. Doesn't matter if it's a new project from scratch or already running in the production project. You can find all of the information here, including our MCP servers. You will basically just need to change few things. First of all is removing the official LiveKit ai-coustics plugin, then installing our own custom ai-coustics LiveKit plugin, and then you will need to get our SDK key. A quick reminder, you can get it from our developer platform here. Once you have it, you can just set it in your env file and look into the sample project, implement the models that you want, and you should be all ready to use it. Let me walk you through the very basic template project. There are basically just few lines of code that needs to be updated, like imports, model paths. Then moving on to the session, you will need to define the audio frames processor, like this. Optionally, you can also set enhancement level for the audio enhancement models. If you would like to use Tyto, you will need to define it in the following way, plus set up the function that will just lock the frames, for instance like this. The VAD goes as following, once again with optional parameters like this, and then we have the frame processor. At this point, you only have to remember to put the audio enhancement processor at the end of the chain, like here. As well as remember that you do not have to use all of our products at once. The VAD is passed as usual, and then in the session start, you just pass this parameter in the noise cancellation as a frame processor, and you should be all set. We can also give it a try.
Anything I can help you with today?
Thanks, it's all good. I'm actually recording ai-coustics custom LiveKit plugin video now. Alright, so going back to the terminal, you can see that I have the audio analysis, or in other words, audio insights logs from Tyto, also logged here every 5 seconds, which is the default timing. Of course, if you set it up, you can use it both for real-time as well as post-call analysis. So if you have any feedback, comments or questions, as well as if you would like to give it a try and you don't have the account yet or the subscription, you can use the promo code that you can see right now here to get the discount for your first subscription. Thanks for your attention and happy building.